Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video in which we are going to do birds painting. So let's start. And I hope you will be there till the end. Pause the video to draw the outlines. Once it's done, start painting the mid portion of the background. For the background, make use of a round brush. Now let's paint trees at the background. Don't paint it with much darker shade. Use a shade like this only. In some portion, make use of brown also. In these branches, make use of comparatively darker shade than the earlier one. Now let's make cherries using a thin brush. Now let's paint snow over the cherries. After it's done, it will give a really nice look. Now let's start painting these little birds. With the use of a single thin round brush, the whole bird can be painted. It's all done. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed till now, then do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.